So hello friends, in today's video I'll share a script with you. So basically we can change the specific word in a text file with this script. So let me just show you the text file first. So see, I have just copied a small paragraph about the Berlin Wall. So you can choose any of the words, like in this tutorial will replace the Berlin word with another word with the PowerShell. So let me just close this file and we have to start the um, writing the script here. So first of all, I'm just creating a path for file path, and then we have to define the path here. So I have just saved the file in the downloads folder, and the name is the Berlin Wall. And then we have to create another path for content. Sorry, another variable. I mean, so the path is, we have to define the path here. The path is text file path. Then we have to define a variable another for new content, and we have to call the content variable here, and we have to define the replace. And for replace, like we are replacing Berlin, and that another word, like we are replacing Berlin to PowerShell. Okay, now we have to write the new content. So we have to call the new content variable, and then we have to set content. Then we have to define the path, and the path is text file path. So this is the script only. So I have already showed you the text file. Let me just run this file and just open this file. So you can see the Berlin word changed with the PowerShell. So we can change any of the word with the PowerShell in text file with this method.